Hey everyone, happy Friday, March 25th. I know it's March 25th, but it's my birthday, yes. 59 today. But I want to share with you where I am. I'm in Dallas with Joni and Daniel. We're at our conference where I tell many of you I meet with our colleagues from around the country and we share best practices, ideas, and here we are in Dallas. And I want to convey that to you, and I've told many of you the company's name is Advisors Excel. That's our back office company that provides all the world-class ideas, planning, services, portfolio management, all the things we bring to you. I learned from a lot of these great people here, and we're on break right now, so I want to get the video out. So I just want to share with you that we're again on the road, bringing and learning the valuable things that I think are important to all of you, especially you the clients of ours, that are so important to us. So with that, have a great Friday and a blessed weekend. See you soon.